Hello everyone, I'm Ali Jalalzadeh from Iran. I'm 38 years old and very excited to explain my idea to you in this video. My idea about using air from compressor of air conditioners to produce electrical energy. According to the type of region and city in which we live, in most season of the year, due to the heat of the air conditioners are continuously used to cool houses and buildings. And I decided that it is possible to use the exhaust air from the fan compressor of the coolers, which is installed with a constant RPM to cool the radiator, to turn an electric generator. By placing a fan impeller in the air outlet from the compressor and connecting the propeller shaft to a power increasing gearbox, the power output from the gearbox can be used to rotate an electricity generator. As a result, the output of the generator can be used to supply energy to consumers and or by using AC/DC inverter. It can be used to charge a battery pack to store electric power. My goal in presenting this plan is to convert a lot of wasted air from the compressor of air conditioners in tropical regions into usable electrical energy and reduce air pollution and reduce the cost of electricity consumed.